Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at something called as agent-to-agent protocol that was developed by the Google team. Let's have a look at why this protocol was necessary and what benefit does it bring to the AI ecosystem here. Fundamentally, A2A protocol enables two different agents to interoperate with each other even if they were developed by different vendors or in a different framework. Let's imagine an LLM developed by Google and another by Meta. Each of them have their own strengths, and you would want to use both these LLMs for fulfilling a specific task. And for them to communicate with each other, you would have to define your own ways and ensure that the outputs of each other results are used in a better way. So this protocol ensures that they both can communicate with each other, understand them, and then complete the task without having to substantially create another infrastructure for their communication. Let's have a look at what are the design principles here that were used for developing this protocol. First one being embracing agent capabilities, wherein the LLMs are able to collaborate each other even when they don't share memory or tools or context. They are built on existing standards like HTTP or JSON. They have built-in security. Um, they support short or long-running tasks, and then they can also support multiple modalities like text, audio, or video streaming. One of the key capabilities, looking at them, one of the fundamental capability is capability discovery, wherein the agents have something called as an agent card. So this is like the set of their abilities that each of this agent has. So if you look at this green agent card versus the blue agent card, the green agent card fulfills two of the functionalities. We could term it as X capability and Y capability, while the blue agent doesn't have the Y capability. So if there is a task that requires Y capability, let's say for example reading a document, then this task will of course be given to the remote agent, where the output is then sent back to the client agent. So yeah, this is a very useful feature. I would say one of the most impactful features, wherein you don't have to specifically mention within the task what capability which LLM has, so they all can understand each other's strengths automatically using this agent card feature. Looking at the other capabilities here, task management, collaboration, and user experience negotiation, wherein the correct output format needed would be negotiated, and then that would be provided to the user. Let's have a look at a short example here, how the working of A2A protocol would happen in a real life scenario. So we have a client, A2A client, which has a text prompt, and it needs an image from the text prompt. So this prompt is forwarded to the image agent, which is a Crew AI agent here via the A2A server. And the agent then generates the image using the Gemini API, which it has access to, and then the image is returned and stored, and then the response is sent to the A2A client. So a very simple working structure here, looks quite neat. And it's a wonderful protocol, I think, that will enable to help AI functionality further. Some of the key terminologies that we looked in, of course, were the agent card, where the agent card has listed the agent's capabilities and skills. Artifact is basically the output of the task, and then A2A server, A2A client, and then the tasks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short introduction, and have a nice day. Bye bye.